Watch this. Get all that good footage for the hood. Get all that good footage for the hood. I gotta get Linda Cohen on the game. Stop playing with me, Aunt Linda. I love you. This right here is Adriatic in Pennsylvania. Adriatic in Pennsylvania. We used to call it Crickright. Hello, here's somebody. Right behind Crickright on Pennsylvania. People, slow down. I can't enjoy my evening because I got to give my folks the footage. My folks told me you better not leave. Put it on the book. Adriatic in Pennsylvania. Hey, believe it or not, we all got a job to do. Adriatic in Pennsylvania for the local folk. Please slow down. It don't take long for things to go wrong. Please slow down. Thank God wasn't nobody on that porch or out front. Adriatic in Pennsylvania, also known as Crickright. Let's go, Sean. Hey, Pop the Dancer, you know we go back like cornrows and car seats, baby. And you could dance the way you've been dancing all your life, 87. Pop the Dancer, what it do, nephew? Thank God wasn't nobody on that porch. Hey, shout out to Westside Complex. Stop playing with me, gang. Hey, Pop the Dancer, Wayne E. It ain't no history when you. It ain't no mystery when you know your history. Come on, gang. Well, Atlantic City got one of the best response teams in the area. Atlantic City got one of the best response teams in America, and not to mention the best mayor. Stop playing with me, gang. This is what you call a great day. Somebody tag Marty. When we come together, we solve problems. Thank God wasn't nobody on that porch. Look at them first responders. When you look at these first responders, they out here 40 deep. Hey, Pop the Dancer, we gonna definitely hook up, baby. In the words of Mac Darton, ain't nothing between us but air and opportunity. Sister Michelle Saxon, that is Pennsylvania and Adriatic, right behind Crick-Wright. They call it Cedar Market now. But I'm damn near 60. I call it Crick-Wright. Right behind Crick-Wright on the corner, Adriatic and Pennsylvania. A collision and the car went on the porch. Guy showed up. I'm getting ready to go, y'all. You ain't gonna mess my evening up. Pennsylvania and Adriatic, also known as Crick-Wright. Kels, you already know Union Baptist, stand up. Union Baptist Temple, stand up. Aunt Kelly, you already know Aunt Kelly. Union Baptist, step up. Hey, jump off. We got a good one today, jump off. You don't get no money off of this. You ain't get no money off of this one, jump off. Hey, Pop the Dancer, I was born funny. Don't get it twisted. I didn't do nothing, I'm just walking in the gift. Let me show y'all the porch, I'm rolling out. Come on, man, give it up for Atlantic City. Give it up for the first responders of Atlantic City, people. Please give it up for them. Come on, gang. Give it up for Atlantic City one time. Come on now. They showed up, baby. First responders on the scene, baby. Hey, Dutta Man, catch you at the next one, baby. No money for you today. Hey, Dutta, who you with? I'm sorry. What's up, Exum? We gonna beat y'all this year. Thank God wasn't nobody on that porch. I got one thing to say. Won't he do it? Hey, word up. Hey, jump off. You the last responder. When they call you, game over, baby. Look, they gonna put the porch together. They gonna stay with the porch. Let me get this on footage. Hey, Dutta, it's not your ability, it's your availability. Somebody tell Linda Cohen step her game up. Hey, E-Mac, don't be calling me no OG, baby. I'm young uncle. Call me young uncle. I'm not no OG yet. I'm a young uncle. Now, what happened was somebody was coming down Adriatic and somebody was coming down Pennsylvania speeding, and they went on somebody's porch. Stop playing me. Stop playing me, gang. Yeah, for all you young shooters and you wear shiesties, I'm not no OG, I'm young on. Stop playing with me, gang. I ain't no OG, I'm young on. Either you call me Ivory or call me young on. My burn is in the city. I ain't got a ride on shore. My shit right here. Stop playing me, gang. I'm GG NDD, Vice Lord, Larry Hoover. Stop playing with me. I'm sorry.